Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Have you ever noticed random charges on your Cash App and wondered where they came from? It might be a subscription you forgot about. In this video, we'll show you how to check all your active subscriptions linked to your Cash App account. Knowing this can help you avoid surprise payments and take control of your money. Like other apps have a dedicated option to view subscriptions, Cash App does not offer a direct feature for this. If you want to check your subscriptions in Cash App, you'll need to go to your Cash App activity section and scroll down to see any automatic payments. Once you click on those payments, you'll see the full details of the subscriptions. First, tap the Cash App icon on your phone screen, as shown in this image. Once you tap the icon, the Cash App will open. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the clock icon. This is called the Activity tab. Once you tap on it, you'll see an interface that shows all your past transactions, both the ones you made manually and automatic ones. As shown in this image, you can see a purchase transaction, a withdrawal, a direct deposit, and also an auto-pay transaction. Auto-pay is always a payment related to some kind of subscription. If you scroll further down, you'll see more of your transaction history. You can go to the filter or use the search bar and type auto-pay to view all the automatic payments made from your account. Click on them one by one. When you tap on any of these, you'll be able to see which subscription the automatic payment was for. You'll also see the next scheduled payment date and get full details about what the subscription is for. This way, you can go through your transaction history, tap on each automatic payment, and get the complete information about them. So, it's quite easy to check all your subscriptions on Cash App by following these steps.